Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to show you how to disable the menu in itel and Syinix digital televisions. Now, keep in mind, I have not tried this on Android televisions, so please try it in your homes and tell me if it works. This is the menu that we are going to disable using the hotel mode. Now, the hotel mode is available when you press the menu and you scroll down to feature and enter. Now, in lock at the top, just press the OK and enter your previously set password, but the default password is usually 0000. If you've forgotten your password, I have another separate video where I show you how to reset the password. In feature, scroll down to hotel mode here and press enter. If the hotel mode was in the off position, just press the right navigation button to enable it, just like that. From this position, the first 5, channel lock, picture lock, sound lock, feature lock, and setup lock are all the menu buttons on itel and Syinix televisions. And if you select the on position just by pressing the right navigation button just like that, you can set the lock just like that. What I'm doing now is locking all the menu items on this television, and let's see the effect of that. If I exit and press menu, you can see everything is disabled. I can't scroll to picture or anything. It's just stuck in feature mode where you are supposed to just enter your password. And when you enter into hotel mode, you can disable all these features. So that is how you lock all the menu items on your itel or Syinix digital television. And you can see this is a very simple parental control method because no child will be able to mess up with all the settings of your TV, not unless they have your password. And before I go, I just want to mention, what if you didn't see the hotel mode in your feature lock? Well, you're just going to enter into the factory hidden menu so that we can enable it. And to do that, you just press the menu button, then you press 1147. And here we have the hidden factory setting. And I would advise for you not to change anything you don't understand here. In fact, I have a separate video about all the rules of dealing with the factory setting. So please watch that video before we continue. But if you found that you didn't have hotel mode, you just scroll down to function, press the right navigation button, and over here you can see hotel mode. So if it's in the off position and you press your menu, you can see that the hotel menu is gone. So you can use this information to control your children or anyone in your home that you don't want messing with your TV. So that's it. My name is Dominic. I hope you learned something new today. Let's meet in the next video. Please watch the full playlist about hidden menu as well as hotel mode on itel and Syinix TVs. Let's meet in the next video and goodbye.